Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, if you're planning to buy a new PC, maybe it's time to think about it. Even though still some supply chain problems, even though still some little issues here and there that might take a while for your PC to arrive and does make the prices a little high, prices are about to get even higher. The main manufacturer of CPUs, Intel, is telling everybody that by the fall, because of rising costs of production, they will be hiking the prices of their CPUs from 10 to 20% depending on which CPU. So this is kind of interesting because that means prices of PCs are going to go higher, and there's kind of a mix here. A lot of the PC market's down a little bit. One, because of the unknowns of the economy. Two, because of supply chain making it a little difficult, to get any parts to make these PCs. But now with the price hike of Intel CPUs, we got to say that Intel is still the major supplier for PCs, so that will impact the price of all the computers out there, and that might not help in making a recovery. Now, what's interesting here is that AMD hasn't said anything, and that could give an edge to AMD CPUs and to the market. Also, the fact that AMD has already started 5 nanometer production, where Intel is still not there, so they're kind of behind here. So this is kind of interesting, and we're going to see what's going to happen with that. But if you're planning to buy a PC, I think the time is now, before even more price hikes, especially if you need one. I think it's time to think about it this summer. If you don't need one, of course, wait, and prices might actually go down eventually at some point in a couple of years because of a lot of the things that are going to be fixed, but we're going to see. So, need a new PC? Maybe it's now, because 10 to 20% hike in prices for Intel CPUs coming this fall. Intel actually had to say it in advance because they wanted to make sure everybody knew that it's coming, especially the computer manufacturers. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.